Well, all right, guys, it is time to pick the winner of the Mold Redo giveaway. It's that time, and this one went a lot better. I just got done checking the spam folder. There was none, so everybody got entered. We don't have to worry about that. There's nobody missing that I'm aware of, at least that I can see. And the other thing is I got done looking at the number of comments on that video, so the number of entries. This time it was almost 600, too shy of 600, 598. That is awesome. So that's a lot better than 2. So we should have a nice fair, drawing on this one, and I'm super excited about that. Now, I also want to stop and thank everybody for commenting, and I want to mention one thing. I want to talk about the code word thing again. In the last video, when we launched this giveaway, I was saying that I like using a code word because there may be people that want to leave a comment but don't want to get entered, and that way they can leave a comment but not get entered. What I didn't even think about, and I found out on this one, I can't even comment back, basically. I don't think. I don't know if there's a way to separate responses out on that picker, so I couldn't respond to anybody's comments, and I just want to say that I read every single one of them, and I liked and like thumbs up and hearted everybody's, but I didn't want to mess up the giveaway this time and then end up picking myself for the winner or something like that. So I couldn't comment. So next time we're gonna go back to the code word thing because it's not very fair that I can't even respond to you guys' comments. And I want to thank you for all the really awesome comments. There was 600 comments, and I would say almost every single one of them, you guys, one thanked me for redoing the giveaway, which is not necessary. That is absolutely not necessary. We basically didn't even do the first giveaway. So this had to be redone, and that's no problem. It's definitely my pleasure, and it, as far as I'm concerned, it had to be redone. But the other thing was, you guys' comments were so gracious and so nice. Some days when you're going through YouTube comments, you can get some humdingers from people that just kind of kill your day. And I'm talking every single comment in there. I wanted to respond so bad, but I didn't want to jinx or mess up the giveaway drawing. So anyway, thank you guys for being so gracious. It was really fun reading all those comments, and I'm excited to pick a winner. And so next time we'll go back to the code word. We won't use a hashtag, but we'll just put a word in there so that everybody can comment, and I'm not worried about picking myself as the winner. So with all that said, let's head over to the computer and let's draw the winner. So congratulations to Wolf for winning these awesome molds. So here's what you won. I double checked and measured these. These are actually the 7/8 inch width. So you got a three blank mold, you got a 4 blank mold, and a demold rack. So that'll be on its way to you, but I don't have your address, your shipping address. So I think the easiest way is to go to my website, nvwoodworks.com, and under the About tab, there's a contact form. And that way you can just send me a direct message. I know it's from you, and you know it's going to me. And then get me your address, and I will have this thing off on its way to you. So congratulations again, and thank you to everybody who participated and joined in on this giveaway, this redo. A big thank you again to everybody for your support, for understanding that the last one got kind of messed up, and for all of those awesome, just like I said, just outstanding comments. It really meant a lot to me. And a big thank you to Turner's Warehouse for hooking us up with some more molds to give away. Make sure to give Chad and Turner's Warehouse some love. Link down in the show notes if you want to go pick up some supplies or maybe some molds if you didn't win. Anything you need for resin casting and pen turning, head over to turnerswarehouse.com. Thank you, Chad. So I guess that's about it. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting and sharing. It means a lot. It goes so far in growing my channel. So thank you for all that. And of course, happy casting.